Take out the machine and its accessories. Use the screwdriver to install holders on the three sides of the machine. There are two spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with the spare one. Install filter. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Install the connecting nut of rotating RF. The same nut is shared by body RF, face RF, and eye RF. Use corresponding handpiece according to personal needs. Connect the vacuum and RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the bio handpiece to the machine. Connect the 40K handpiece to the machine. Connect the hot and cold handpiece to the machine. Connect the lipo laser applicators to the machine. Put all accessories into corresponding holders. Connect the power cord to the socket of the machine. Check all are connected properly and then press power switch to start the machine. And then the welcome interface will appear. What follows is the function selection interface. Choose function based on your needs. Press rotating RF function button. Choose proper working handpiece according to the target area. Time range is 0 to 60 minutes. 20 minutes on each area is recommended. Energy range is 0 to 10. 37 is recommended. Please note, adjust energy level based on individual endurance. RF mode selection. There are NOR and Pro modes. Choose Pro mode for first-time users. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply RF gel or cream to the target area evenly before treatment. Do not perform the treatment on dry skin. NOR is fixed mode. The red LED light goes on and energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after start button is pressed. Pro is smart mode. The red LED light goes on and energy slowly reaches preset level after the handpiece touches skin. There's a rotating icon on the energy adjustment interface. Press this icon. The working surface of the handpiece can rotate clockwise. NOR mode and Pro mode can be chosen all the time. Rotating RF can be used to consolidate treatment results on the area with severe fat accumulation. Press Reset button. Go back to Home interface. Press 40K function button. Time range is 0 to 60 minutes. 20 minutes on each area is recommended. Energy range is 0 to 10. 37 energy level is recommended. Please note, adjust energy level based on individual endurance. Mode selection. M2 is recommended for first-time users. M1 is constant working mode, suitable for those who have sick fat accumulation and need to reduce fat. M2 is discontinuous working mode, suitable for those who have fat on some areas and want to shape body. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply dedicated gel to the areas evenly before treatment. Please note, make sure there are no metal objects like ornaments on the treatment receiver. People who have metal implants in their body should not take the treatment. This treatment should not be performed on heart and bones, so no treatment on back and chest. Choose body, vacuum, and RF function. Time range is 0 to 60 minutes. 20 minutes on each area is recommended. RF energy range is 0 to 10. 37 is recommended. Please note, adjust the energy level based on individual endurance. RF mode selection. There are NOR and Pro modes. Choose Pro mode for first-time users. NOR is fixed mode. The red LED light goes on and energy of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after start button is pressed. Pro is smart mode. The red LED light goes on and energy slowly reaches preset level after the handpiece touches skin. Manually set the suction and the release time. Press button to begin the treatment. Apply essential oil to the target area evenly before treatment. Do not use thick creams in case there's blockage. Suction time adjustment range 0 to 2, 0.3 to 1.5 is recommended. Release time adjustment range 0 to 2, 0 to 0.8 is recommended. When release time is 0, the handpiece is at the status of constant suction. The knob for adjusting suction level is on the top of the machine. Adjust it based on individual endurance during the treatment. Turning it clockwise is to increase suction, and turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Please note, you can manually set the parameters of the suction and release time based on your needs. Choose hot and cold function. 2 modes available, cold mode and hot mode. Time range is 0 to 60 minutes. 5 to 10 minutes on each area is recommended. Energy range is 0 to 10, 3 to 7 is recommended. Please note, adjust the energy level based on individual endurance. Press button to begin the treatment. Choose bio function. Time range is 0 to 60 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes on each area is recommended. Bioenergy range is 0 to 10, 3 to 7 is recommended. Please note, adjust the energy level based on individual endurance. Mode selection. There are 2 modes available. M1, low frequency electric current. M2, high frequency electric current. Adjust the energy level based on individual endurance. Those who are sensitive to electric current are not recommended to use this handpiece. There are 4 buttons on the handpiece. Wave, light with a certain color flashes. Mode or on, change the color of the flashing light or turn on the light. Auto, lights with multiple colors flash cyclically. Off, turn off the light. Apply face essence to the target area before treatment. It is recommended that this handpiece be used when face mask is applied. Choose lipo laser function and then set parameters. Time range is 0 to 60 minutes. 30 minutes is recommended. Energy range is 0 to 10, 3 to 7 is recommended. Please note, time can be prolonged if you only take this treatment. If you use it in conjunction with hand techniques or other handpiece treatment, time should be set within reasonable range. Upper row displays the energy level of large laser applicators. The triangle sign indicates the energy level of corresponding laser applicator can be adjusted. The lower row displays the energy level of small laser applicators. 3 modes. M1, constantly on, suitable for those who have severe fat accumulation. M2, low frequency flash, suitable for those who want to shape body. M3, high frequency flash, suitable for those who are slightly fat and want to slim down. Adjust time, mode, and energy level based on the needs of treatment receiver. When the triangle sign appears above the leftmost bar, the energy of all large laser applicators can be adjusted simultaneously, and when the triangle sign appears above the other bar, the energy level of corresponding large laser applicator can be adjusted. When the triangle appears above the leftmost bar, the energy of all small laser applicators can be adjusted simultaneously, and when the triangle appears above the other bar, the energy level of corresponding small laser applicator can be adjusted. Fix the laser applicators on the treatment area with binding strip. There's no need to apply gel. After treatment, press Reset button to go back to Home interface. Remove laser applicators and then untie the binding strip. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Sanitize handpieces for the next time use.